Mike Lassner, President and CEO of Allied Steel Buildings. We are 3 weeks from the time we were out here on our groundbreaking, and as you can see, we're moving along pretty quickly here. What you see behind me is the receiving area is completely up, and now we're working down the assembly line. We expect all the steel structure to be up in the next month and a half, and then we'll enclose the envelope and we'll be installing equipment. So it's really gratifying to see how quickly things are coming together. We've got an incredible crew out there from Sure Steel, and they're moving quickly, safely of course, accurately. The quality is exceptional, as you can see from the building. So their team is moving us on or a little bit ahead of schedule, so we really appreciate the effort that they're making out here. So check out the blue. Pretty cool color, right? Well, that's the Allied blue. We're the client in this case. We wanted something that was meaningful to us and to our brand, and also showcase what we could do that's quite unique in our industry, where we're able to put finished coats and colors on facilities in this facility. A lot of times clients will do that on site. It's an extraordinary expense for them. Again, it's just the Allied way. It was just an additional investment we made to make sure we can meet our clients' needs. So we're looking at being in production in November. We are in June right now. You're seeing the first quarter of the building up. Might seem like an aggressive timeline, but we've got an incredible crew out here working on this project. As you see, dirt's all level, building's going up. We expect equipment to be installed starting at the end of July. That'll continue on through October, and we'll be ready to produce in November. Yes, is it aggressive? Absolutely, but we have a great team that could accomplish those goals. Been a lot of planning in place. It's kind of the same thing we do all the time with our clients, so we're used to it. Our facilities here in McGregor, Texas, the greater area, you know it as Waco. We're going to participate in both chambers here because we really believe in being part of the local community. You know, we're going to build a large team here. They're going to come from McGregor. They're going to come from the surrounding towns here. They're going to come from Waco. We're going to work with the schools here as well. So we're really excited about the partnership that we've created with McGregor and Waco, and we look forward to participating in the community as much as possible to fulfill their goals for employment and success within their community as well as for ours. So as I said, we're ahead of schedule. In 1 more week, we have 8 more frame lines going up. It's moving along nicely, like I said, at a great pace, safely, with great quality. You'll see this facility up very shortly.